How to hide following and followers list on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide following and followers list on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Instagram. After you open it up, head over to the bottom right corner and you should be on your profile section. After you're there, tap on the three lines that you see on the top right corner. Now you're on settings and activity. After you've done that, if you scroll down, there you will see who can see your content section. Tap on account privacy and make sure that your account is private. So let me just switch it back to public first. And after you've done that, now this is what it should look like for you guys. Tap on this to change it to private. Now after you change it to your private, people will not be able to see your followers or following list unless they follow you on Instagram. So anyone other than your followers will not be able to see any of your followings or followers list. So that is how you can hide your following and followers list on your Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.